Hi, I'm Evan and welcome back to the Canvas Tutorial Show. I'm here with a 2-minute tip. You can make your content a lot easier to read by separating it, either by using a graphic or, like I like to, just a simple HR tag. Let me show you what it looks like and then I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. So here on one of my former posts, you see that I have this gray line that is separating my content so that it gives it just a little bit more, again, separate feel. I already have the headings and I have the paragraphs, but by using this simple line break, really, it breaks up the content a little bit more. How do you create it? Well, here I've got a discussion, or not a discussion, but just a regular post open. Actually, it is a discussion post. And just some dummy text. Well, if you head over here into the HTML editor, okay, so right here in the upper right, if you're using the old editor like I am in this sandbox, or it would be down here on the bottom right if you're using the new rich content editor, go ahead and click that, and that's going to take you into the code version of your post. And all you're going to do is you're going to click right where you want that that tag or that separator. Okay, so right here you see that I have heading 2 and heading 2. So I want it to go right before this. So I'm just going to click, hit enter, and then it's just going to be open, HR, close, and that's it. Okay, so when I go back to the rich content editor, there's my my separator. Okay, so this has been a 2-minute hack or 2-minute tutorial on how to better separate your content. Again, as always, if you haven't followed the show, if you haven't joined the group, I encourage you to do both. Go ahead and type in @CanvasTuts on Facebook, and then whenever you find a good video, make sure to share it with your colleagues so that they can get the goodness too. Have a great day.